Soon, the GPL, the Ghana Premier League, in what's it overtake or the English and the European Premier League now or the majority leader Mahama Ayariga or Kadamasemi na senior man no ya wo Damasemi or yawan ekenya dam vibe or yawan ekenya minjins wa ma share video na ansa na yedi dam komo.
Soon our local league will replace the European leagues.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Visit our DJ Paco Rich, and I'm sure the name is a household name. Etizina name Sutumi. Now, today on the internet, Muhazibi Awama Mahasro Kaka. Also, the GPL will overtake the European League soon. The GPL, the Ghana Premier League, in what's it overtake or the English and the European Premier League now or the majority leader Mahama Ayariga or Kadamasemi na senior man no ya wo Damasemi or yawan ekenya dam vibe or yawan ekenya minjins wa ma share video na ansa na yedi dam komo.
Mr. Speaker, let me conclude by saying that with the 24-hour economy strategy, football is going to be a major enabler of the 24-hour economy. And very soon we will see it. Very soon our local league will replace the European leagues.
Senior man, one kasana wayama. What reason kofu wo hopes Ghana fu wo hopes ma owomana wa blast no. Yes, what to abamo 7 December and I start a year with Juma. Yes, I appoint to ministers now. One said I don't want to positions in as one to Kofi Adam sports minister, brilliant. Also, Obashem Oye Ghana Premier League in Waba DSTV, na Chedo any part of the world, another Africa Biawa. Beautiful, idea concept. Yabobom Paido Bebum, but when you start raising our hopes, there by catcher and day, our Babema Ghana Premier League in Waba European League one na kere epere again shabalamo manada akwahisembi na regional be like the fact that yenyim the status of our Premier League ya wogba na wo ho sekanya Premier League ya Elimina Sharks na All Blacks wogba na wadzim busedwe wadzi gu referees wenyomi eyi na all about pabas on English Premier League. Let's be real with ourselves. You see, politicians and one here na you permanent this that one run one bay you change be but I will start on board some in some big day now. When you do these things, you give room for people to ridicule you. Let's give time some time. Na enyamana kasanon proceed onko. Now, English Premier League, now the Ghana Premier League now semi-hurricane. Now, let's look at the condition of our stadiums. When I question Oye Sekendi Stadium, Basada Barcelona for lowest moment. Just imagine there, Sanyata Kwa, Wabesi Stadium kakra, why uplifting face left kakama Oye Western Regional. In Kadam Sekendi Stadium, Niste Tosina Wazebama. Oye Ghana Premier League and waba pa English Premier League no. Obakado na ye he na ye wa be me bet aban nke yezina ye dami nyame na start there stadiums and moma stadium surround us and why you lively. Na kofe to me patronize stadium services na zo. Then you think of competing with Premier League. Premier League ones are grow. You see those guys there, you see them, they are business minded. Were you business and serious minded? And even to say there, DSTV Nazan, Wababa cover Nazan, or you're good. But question I maybe someone there, Or your local network scene a whatever fana was na day. DSTV Nankasana Warba and Warbeya entire production of our Premier League. So I want to Warbeya that bravo. But from what we have seen from our local networks, this is not something you should sit down and say the English Premier League. You know, Abandama. Obi bekere mwa kweshe de na mwa akwehwesem bi na mo betitame ende yenzi. It doesn't work that way, senior man. Senior man, Ayariga, me feel upa, but I'm asking me became the trouble. Take it easy. Don't be promising heaven. Atasa, obandamana, asamni a doko. Ye Premier League, please, there are certain things that youths and worship you may be you. Betting on tax. E-levy. That man yaman or there you want crow. Nanyan small there but compete with Premier League, English Premier League. Ibobo one thing. English Premier League in our was saying in Bobo competing. In ya there be a mulgu abe manade BB but we know our leaders and we know what they can do. For now on Papa into I'm telling you. So there it puts few things in order. Yeah, with the sport ministry no or local. Zenyimanye Black Star. Debia Black Star. No ya na modwen there wan kotoa 771 ye. At my making say local league in manye ni ye ya. Wo be de na Black Stars player papa. Umana 771 ma me na wo papa no moye abrofa wa katina abrochi na debia wo kwa kapon na chode they should come and play for us. Please, let's fix the backyard mess before we think of competing with international brands like EPL. Inye ye mates in one. Inye ye mates. When ye playing mates as at now, with our leadership and our status, when ye playmate. So don't raise, because football has to be your boys in for passion. Into raise wo hopes do kwadama na wo expectation into me meter. I share no be akoto abeti or senior man you steady. Na dam vibes here kekeche na mama ambema boys what be campaign it yo. Yesrawa senior man Ayariga. Obaya me yemfa oye Kofi Adams ne den. Ode ba DSTV me na. Abahwe na ma DSTV channels no bebre. But you people should even make sure that it gets to our local channels more. Then here you start today, patronize our charity begins at home. Oh yeah, the outside people will also change it. Because then they will know the league in eyeballs is a cheer. You understand, senior man? Senior man Ayariga, majority leader that Mayoka said. But the Basabe say, guys, I don't know what you think about this, but you can also share your opinion. If you don't like to be now, what was a boy na day. Something which is there. Let me know in the comment section. I'm from DJ Parkour Rich. I had me a Parkour Rich Studios. I say subscribe.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.